African history document that. So free up black people, live up black people. I in a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people. So free up black people, free up black people. In a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people. Yeah, my point is, the meek shall in every earth and me no matter what the fight is. And it was written long before the 80s or the 90s, before the colonel find the herbs and spices. Black people, don't get caught in a them system. Just overcome and don't become a victim. Cause them system set, for them get the future, all of the history we get. So free up black people, live up black people. I in a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people. So free up black people, free up black people. In a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people. Don't forget, you see and boy black, greatest of the greats. Check the record on the track. Asafa, Shelley and Fraser, Merlin, Natty, Ben Johnson and Quarry. Me fi tell you about that. Bob Marley, Muhammad Ali and Denzel Washington. Too many to mention. Whitney Houston, Michael Jordan, from the African lineage of River Jordan. Live up black people, live up black people. I in a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people. So free up black people, free up black people. In a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people.